to start with IP, and now we just start with an IP. IP has a IP protocol focusing on IP datagram, and we just trace the IP datagrams that which are sent and received by execution of trace route program. Trace route is nothing but a command, or it a network diagnostic tool that we use it to display true path and measure the delay of the packets. And while Wireshark is a packet analyzer that rather than a trace route tool. Here we can just open first with capturing packets from an execution of trace route. That can be done by the two types that I'm using my operating system as a Mac, that I'm using my Macintosh. So I don't have this pingplotter.com, so I don't want to use it because it was not aware of it. Okay. And now when I just open the terminal, like a terminal, how, and we'll get to know how traceroute can work and how does the packets is analyzing. So opening the terminal, yeah, we'll just start with new terminal, shell, new window. Yeah. Here a command is a trace route and www dot anything we can suggest mit dot edu, and we need there the specifically we need to mention that how many bytes that we have to send. That is the basically main mandatory thing that we use in this thing. So we just take 2,000 packets are sending over this IP datagram, and we just click on it. Here we can see trace route to edge MIT dot. It's some site of that, and 2,000 byte packets are over sent here to the system. And here we can see directly that many packets are having that different round trip time, and we can see that fragmented packets, everything, and fragmentation also we can check here in this thing. So there will be a hop 1, hop 2, hop 3. These are just hop 1, hop 2, hop 3, and up to last one is called as the final hops. So and next one is having here IP address or host name, that here have IP address, and these are the round trip times that subsequent columns display the round trip time for three packets sent to the each hop. The times are usually measured in milliseconds, as round trip time generally indicates a fast response. As we want to trace route directly straightforwardly, we can just check it in this terminal, that how much bytes of data that IP datagram has sending to it. So if we want to just check it through the Wireshark, that we know we need to open the file that which having the literal trace of IP. So I have already downloaded that literal trace of IP file. So I'm just importing it from my file explorer. So desktop. Sure. So here we can check IP thread trace 1. Entire the packets that have stored in this IP. We just click on ICMP is a command that we check for the ICMP packets that which will have sending the trace route. So by this applying this filter ICMP, we can just check that how many packets that have been sending, and then we just going to this next ICMP. Yeah, we can just check what is IP address of that my computer and how many bytes of IP header and IP datagram. So different questions can be answered by after knowing this ICMP filtering packet. So next we'll start with a fragmentation process. Like fragmentation refers to a process of breaking down larger data packet into smaller data fragments to fit within the maximum transmission unit size of a network. So when a device send the packet that is larger than MTU size, MTU size of network, it is just traversing the packet must be fragmented. That can be cut into a small pieces of transmission. Then the receiving device then resembles the fragments to reconstruct the original packet. So there are the several reasons for that fragmentation process. So we'll just check how the fragmentation process works. Like if we already imported that thing, then and we just type a command uh, to filter the fragmented packets, that which is known as ip flags.mf double is equals to 1. So after applying this, we'll get to know the packets which are fragmented into smaller pieces. Like here, IP4, IP5, some IPv4, IPv5 are these are the basical fragmented pieces that have cut it from the many streams like UDP or and TCP. We can just click on that packet, and we can just follow on that whether it's which stream that you can following that we can check here. So these are the fragmented pieces that we which we work on. And after getting the knowing of this fragmentation, we can just know the ICMP request getted from that, how many bytes that, and how many fragments were created from the original datagram, and what fields change in IP header among the entire questions that we'll get to know about this the IP session.